Best choices are Wigo G and Espresso AJS. Torn between the two. Can I owe your thoughts, Sir Ronnie? Tara, pag-usapan natin. Well, I can't really blame you on that, no, because Wigo and Espresso really are two of the most affordable cars today that I could highly recommend to you guys. For Wigo, you're gonna get the comfort, the features, high-tech, Toyota's reliability, you know that. On the other hand, with the Espresso, you get the high ground clearance, okay? Para sa akin, great aesthetic, great design. Para sa akin, mas gusto ko yung design ni Espresso. And then what else? You still get the AGS, automatic gear shift, which is convenient. And then upgraded na rin yung infotainment screen mo. Siguro I'm just really hearing a lot of problems about umiinit yung AGS, lalo na pag-ahonan. But if you're like me, palagi naman nasa patag lang most of the time, and mas gusto ko talaga yung aesthetic ni Espresso, so maybe I'll choose Espresso. What about you guys?